Welcome to my channel, I guess, and this is the Series Elite 2 unboxing, I guess, since one of you suggested, or said that I should do it once I asked. Can't open this. Hold up. I should have figured this out before I started this. Hold up. Open. Oh, there's another tab. That would probably help. Okay, now. Damn thing. Alright, got it. It's all good. Alright, so this is the Elite 2. Did not have the Elite 1, mainly because my friend had the Elite 1, and I hated it due to the fact that it did not have... the paddles were sucky. I didn't like them. Yes, I am very white. I'm sorry for hideousness. Alright, this is it. It's pretty beautiful, actually. That's it. It smells weird. Like fresh paint. Okay, that's fine. My flash just died because my battery's about to die. Really like the controller. See? Listen. Don't know if you can hear that. That's real smooth. This I don't like, right? So I'm gonna take this off. Like blam. Take the pick that it comes with and twist it all the way. Now it's nice and stiff. Just the way I like it. I like it stiff. It's like the 360. There's 2 clicks. All the way to the right, 2 clicks. It's like a 360. 1 click in the middle. Don't really know if that did actually anything. And then that's like the fastest, I guess, I think. Yeah, that's the fastest. And then click it once. It's tougher. And last click, the toughest. I will going with the toughest because that's what I like. Okay, so that D-pad, pretty good. Oh, wait. Alright, that's a button. I just tried to push it all the way down. Oh, wait. Wait, is it charged already? Okay, it may be charged already. And that might be a good thing. Okay, I'm going to switch these out on the controller to the... Hold up. This is the long one. I personally don't like that one. It's kind of doo-doo, to be honest with you. I'm going to use the 360 ones that they come with. It's longer. It's more higher up. If you can... Hold on, let's use this table. Just compact. Oh, I just threw it. I can't get up. Ah. So, this is the difference. This is the one it comes with. This is the one, that's the 360 one. Sorry for camera quality. My phone's not that good when it comes to this. So I'm gonna slap on that one. It's pretty sexy. I'm not gonna lie. Comes with this, I don't know if you can see it, but it comes with like a flap on the charging dock. So you can like lift it up or like take it off. And then you got the sexy charging dock. It is sticky, or at least what went on the charging dock port. You got a case here for like any extra accessories, I guess. In the box, you got, hold on. Oh, God damn it. Get out. Get out. There we go. Took some struggle, but I got it. Oh yeah, right. It comes with a charging thing, obviously. So you can charge it with, I think it's USB-C. Come on, grab it. Yeah, I am recording this on my carpet because I don't have a, I don't know if you can see that with my camera quality, and I'm sorry. But it's what I have to deal with because I am not, nope, the richest person in the world right now. So I got that. It's pretty long, I believe. Hold on, I'm gonna put you down. I believe it's 10 feet. That's what I heard while doing the reviews. So it's pretty long. Hold on. I'm gonna set it out all the way so you can see it. Okay. So starts here and travels. Lost track. It goes there. All the way down. So it's like a good. Just don't mind the hole. Dog ate it up. So it goes all the way there. Sounds pretty good. And again, apologize for the camera quality. It's not the best. Wrap up the cord because I kind of want that. I don't have one of my own. Now these are codes that I'm not going to give you. Sorry, but I kind of want them. To be honest, to be completely honest with you, I kind of want them. This is the manual it comes with. It tells you what's in it. You got the controller, the carrying case, the charging dock. Come on, focus, you stupid camera. Ugh, Android, am I right? Aha, right there. Got it. Got that one. Paddles, interchangeable thumbsticks. You got 6 interchangeable thumbsticks. Did not know that. An adjustable, thumbstick adjustment tool. Retarded. Interchangeable D-pads. You got 2. That's the dial. I think it's called the dial. And which I'm going to keep on for right now. And you got the classic D-pad right there. So that's what it comes with. And so you got the 2 basic ones, the long ones for the thumbsticks and the 360 ones. You also got this dome thing, which it has this rubber padding on it. I don't know. I think you can see that. I'll flip the camera. I don't know why it keeps. Come on. Well, there's like this grip on it. You can see it in the light barely, but I got that. That's in there. You got 3 settings. If I turn this controller on, see, got the 1, 2, 3. This is default where the paddles on the back go out. So like when all of these lights right here, these 3 lights are off like this, the back paddles do not work. I read that. But I'm going to keep it on the first default one, which I haven't set this up yet. Yeah, these are the front features of the controller. Not really too important. On the back of the case, this is what it said here. I completely forgot that it actually has a flap here. You open it up, and it goes into the charging dock right there. It's all magnetic. See, listen, if you can hear it. Oh, okay, no, I can't even hear it, and I'm right next to it. Nah, I can't hear that. So, you got 3 paddles, right? You have the classic traditional paddle, not paddle, trigger, where it just goes all the way down. I'm trying to pick this up so I don't get stick drifting. Then you have the Elite Series 1 paddle, and then you have the really trigger, where it basically doesn't go anywhere, which is nice. Sorry for that, also that mess too. What's this? No power to controller. No power means no light. See, no power. This one, battery is low, so it'll actually go yellow. Charging, I don't know what that means. I think it'll blink. And fully charged is when, is solid green. Power button. You know, the classic power button. I don't know why it says power button on the Xbox and that. To pair it, 3 seconds, I'm assuming. I'm really trying to get, 10 minutes here, which is 11 minutes right now, which is fine by me. My phone usually gets 4 minutes. Got the pairing options. Pairing options, when it's fully on, it's charged. You can actually use the thumbsticks on the Xbox One Series, Elite Series 1, yes, that. You can use not the thumbsticks, the back paddles as well on the Series 2, but you cannot use, I don't think you can use the D-pad. Actually, no, I think you can use the D-pad, but you can't use the thumbsticks on the Series 1 onto the Series 2. And my phone's about to die. I think it's at like 4% because my screen just really got dimmed. Trigger locks, obviously gonna hurry this up. Got the codes here. There's nothing on this back, so just like quickly, just boom. Good luck. Another manual type thing. Just user's manual, nothing really important. Well, I have to go before my phone dies and this doesn't save. So, see you into the next video that I make with the new series controller. Sorry for my shaky hand. Yeah.